All right, everybody, I greatly appreciate you tuning to my channel. I'm BJ from the 478, and today I got a treat for you because I just got my Vossen Fords 24-inch wheels, 24 by 11 in the rear, 24 by 10 in the front, and this is a 22 Redeye jailbreak Hellcat Charger. That's a mouthful, gets me every time, but said and done, man, this thing turned out absolutely gorgeous. Now that is a Ford wheel, Vossen. It is the S21, which is the Series 21-01. So these wheels, custom built to spec. I did a lot of Forgiatos in the long run, and man, do you see? When I contacted Vossen Ford, I actually explained to Jeremy down at Swamp Dog, who placed an order for me. I explained to him the year, make, and model of the vehicle and what I needed and how I had it. It was already lowered. I lowered it, and I'm running H&R springs on it. And I didn't necessarily want this wheel all the way out to here because wheels don't go up and down. Once you hit a bump, they'll curve up inside the fender well. So I wanted to sit underneath so it doesn't rub any plastic. And man, this thing rides just like a little bit better than my factors, to be honest with you. Just looking at them, you wouldn't believe the actual extreme detail in this. So this wheel right here is actually what they call transparent. And these caps right here reflect. They'll reflect the light as well, but this color here is transparent, and then the lip is brushed. And I am running a 295 25 ZR24 in the rear and a 245 30 ZR24 in the front. But man, she tucked under there just like I wanted it. All my other Forgiatos stopped the route right here, and it just, every now and then it would hit the top of the fender, and I didn't want to actually knock one of these off. So I explained to them what I was looking for, and man, they are on point. It got underneath my vehicle just like I wanted it, and man, I am super excited and I'm very pleased with the outcome on this. Now this lip right here is actually a step up lip, and it just set the tone. It gives it a little more of the muscle car look. Now I do have a couple more items I'm gonna add on here. I got the rocker panels inside the shop right now. I'm gonna go ahead and change those out. Those are gonna be full carbon fiber. Just like the front lip and all that good stuff. I got a snorkel I'm putting on here. I got some light up badges. Me and my buddy Alpo, I ordered some for his track hawk, and I like his so much I went ahead and ordered me a set as well. This car is actually dirty. I need to clean this thing. But Vossen does make some turn signals, some Bluetooth LED turn signals. I may order a set of those. Just stay tuned. When I get them, I'll go ahead and post it as well. I think you can use an app to actually turn those off and on and change the colors, the RGB lights inside of that. And they also will work with your turn signal. So it's going to be super nice. It's a couple other things I'm going to do with the lighting on here. I am going to run the carbon fiber diffuser. Nothing crazy though. I'm not doing some wild, big race car. We ain't doing that. We're just going to keep it nice and clean, tuck it underneath there. It'll look just like this piece, but it'll be in carbon fiber. I haven't figured out what I want to do on this wing yet, but I have seen a couple of the carbon fiber wings to where they actually do wrap around here, which I do like. The tail is a little bit bigger, but on the 22s, I kind of sort of like this one. That's the reason why I'm not going to put a wicker bill or anything on it like that, is for the simple fact that this right here actually is a tad bit longer and curves versus the 21s in the back. Now the sequential tail lights, I am going to run those to where, you know, when you turn signals, it'll go all the way around. We're going to do something crazy, but we're going to save that, and hopefully, like I said, want to try to get it in the SEMA this year, and it's looking like a big plus on my part. So I'll finish filling out the paperwork, so you can stay tuned. You may see this car in the SEMA show this year, so you got to stay tuned to my channel. Please like and subscribe. I got a lot more content and a lot more footage, and you know, just tons and tons of parts I'm putting on this car. So just stay tuned. I greatly appreciate you tuning in. Thank you.